In this video, today we will talk about how to earn money from YouTube. YouTube has transformed into a powerful platform for content creators to not only showcase their talents, but also generate significant income. From ad revenue to merchandising, the potential for earning money on YouTube is vast. Here's an in-depth look at 10 effective ways to monetize your YouTube channel. 1. Ad revenue. The cornerstone of YouTube monetization is ad revenue. Once your channel meets the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, eligibility criteria at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months, you can start earning money from ads displayed on your videos. YouTube offers several ad formats, including display ads, overlay ads, skippable video ads, and non-skippable video ads. Your earnings are based on cost per thousand impressions, CPM, and cost per click, CPC, which vary depending on factors like viewer demographics and the type of ad. To maximize ad revenue, focus on creating engaging, high-quality content that attracts viewers and keeps them coming back. Regularly analyze your audience analytics to understand what content performs best, and optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags to enhance discoverability. Building a loyal audience and consistently uploading content can lead to increased views and higher ad revenue over time. 2. Channel memberships. Channel memberships offer a way to earn recurring income by allowing subscribers to join your channel for a monthly fee. Once your channel reaches 30,000 subscribers, you can enable this feature, giving members access to exclusive perks such as special badges, custom emojis, and members-only content. This method not only provides a steady stream of income, but also fosters a deeper connection with your most dedicated viewers. Promote your memberships through your videos and community posts to attract subscribers to join. Offering valuable and exclusive content can entice more viewers to become paying members, enhancing your channel's revenue and community engagement. 3. Super Chat and Super Stickers. For creators who engage in live streaming, Super Chat and Super Stickers provide additional revenue opportunities. Super Chat allows viewers to pay to have their messages highlighted during live streams, making them more visible to you and other viewers. Super Stickers are animated stickers that viewers can purchase to show their support or express reactions. These features enhance the interactive experience of live streams and offer a direct way for viewers to contribute financially. Engaging with your audience during live streams and acknowledging Super Chats and Super Stickers can encourage more viewers to participate and support your channel. 4. Merchandise Shelf. YouTube's Merchandise Shelf allows creators to sell branded merchandise directly through their channel. Once your channel has more than 10,000 subscribers, you can link with merchandise partners like Teespring or Merchbar to display your products beneath your videos. This integration simplifies the purchasing process for your viewers and provides a new revenue stream. Offering a range of merchandise, from t-shirts and mugs to phone cases and hats, can help you capitalize on your brand and fan base. 5. Sponsored content. Partnering with brands to create sponsored content is another lucrative way to earn money on YouTube. Companies often pay creators to feature their products or services in videos, either through dedicated reviews or integrations within existing content. To attract sponsorships, focus on building a strong personal brand and an engaged audience. Brands are more likely to collaborate with creators who have a clear niche and a substantial following. Transparent communication with your audience about sponsored content helps maintain trust and authenticity. 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral links. By integrating affiliate links into your video descriptions or creating content around affiliate products, you can generate income whenever viewers make a purchase through your links. Choosing relevant products that align with your content and audience interests is crucial for success in affiliate marketing. Building trust with your viewers through honest reviews and recommendations enhances the effectiveness of your affiliate marketing efforts. 7. Creating and selling digital products. Digital products such as eBooks, online courses, and exclusive content offer another avenue for monetization. If you have expertise or valuable knowledge to share, creating and selling digital products can provide a significant revenue stream. For example, you might offer in-depth tutorials, downloadable resources, or access to premium video content. Promoting these products through your YouTube channel can drive sales and provide your audience with additional value. 8. Crowdfunding and donations. Crowdfunding platforms like Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee allow your viewers to support you financially outside of traditional monetization methods. Through these platforms, you can offer exclusive content or perks to your supporters in exchange for their contributions. This approach is particularly useful for creators who want to build a closer relationship with their audience and receive ongoing support. Highlighting your crowdfunding campaigns in your videos and providing regular updates can encourage more viewers to contribute. 9. Licensing your content. If your videos contain unique or high-quality footage, you may be able to earn money by licensing your content to media outlets, companies, or other creators. Licensing agreements typically involve allowing others to use your content in exchange for a fee or revenue share. Platforms like Jukin Media and Storyful specialize in licensing user-generated content and can help you monetize your videos through these arrangements. 10. Offering consulting or coaching services. If you have expertise in a particular field, such as video production, social media strategy, or a specific niche, offering consulting or coaching services can be a profitable endeavor. By leveraging your knowledge and experience, you can provide personalized advice and guidance to other creators or businesses. Promoting your services through your YouTube channel and highlighting your qualifications can attract clients and generate additional income. Monetizing your YouTube channel involves exploring various revenue streams and strategically leveraging your content and audience. By combining multiple methods, such as ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales, you can build a diverse income portfolio and maximize your earnings on the platform. As you grow your channel and continue to engage with your audience, new opportunities for monetization will arise, allowing you to turn your passion for creating content into a rewarding financial venture. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.